In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a file to another folder in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing files for a project or simply trying to declutter your space, knowing how to efficiently move files around can save you a lot of time and make your work a breeze. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Google Drive homepage. This is your central hub where you'll find all the files and folders you've stored in the cloud. Once you're there, take a moment to survey your drive and get comfortable if you're not already. Next, you need to locate the file you want to copy. From your Drive homepage, scroll through your files or use the search function if you have too many files and things are getting a bit chaotic. Remember, being organized can really ease the process. Once you've found the file you want, click on it to select it. You'll notice the file becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready for any action like copying. Now let's move on to the actual copying action. On your keyboard, press and hold the Control key if you're using a Windows PC or Command if you're on a Mac, and then press the C key. This combination is a universal shortcut for copying files, and you'll find it incredibly handy, not just here but in many other applications as well. This action copies your selected file onto the clipboard, a temporary storage area where your computer holds data that you've copied. With your file copied, it's time to navigate to the destination folder where you'd like to paste this file. Just browse through your drive, or again, use the search bar to find the folder quickly. Once you've located your desired folder, click on it to open. Finally, inside the folder, you're going to paste the file you copied. You do this by clicking into the folder and then pressing Ctrl or Command and the V key simultaneously. This step pastes your file into the new location, making a complete duplicate of the original file without removing it from its original spot. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully copied a file to another folder within your Google Drive. Before we finish up, here's a quick tip. If you're managing a large number of files simultaneously, consider creating folder hierarchies. This can help streamline your organization efforts and make processes like this even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and as always, happy organizing in your digital space.